join me as I take on this crazy math Olympiad problem. Can I figure out b square minus b cube? This is equal to 150. Let's find out. We copy the left hand side with a b square negative b cube, and we subtract a 150 on both sides. Subtract 150 on this side and also subtract a 150 on this side. So we have a b square minus b cube minus 150. Now the right hand side is 0. Now in the next step we split this 150 into two values such that we can write the one value in cubic form and the second value in square form. So that is why we split this 150 into two values. First value we take 125 and the second value is a 25. Why we select these two values? Because we can write this 125 as a 5 cube, and we can also write this 25 as a 5 square. Copy the remaining these two values and we write this 125 as a 5 cube, and we can write this 25 as a 5 square. Now we rearrange this equation. So we write this as a b square negative 5 square and negative b cube negative 5 cube. This is equal to 0. Now we write this as a b square negative 5 square, and we write this last two value as a negative into b cube plus 5 cube. This is equal to 0. Now in the next step we use the identity. First identity that we use for this term, which is a square minus b square. As we know, this is equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. And the second identity which we use for this second term, this is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b multiply a square plus b square minus product of a and b. So apply these two property, then this first term will become a b plus 5 multiply b minus 5. This is a minus and we expand this form. So this is a b plus 5 and b square plus 25 minus 5 times b. This is equal to 0. Now b plus 5 involved in these two terms, so we factor out b plus 5 and the remaining is a b minus 5, and here remaining is a b square plus 25 minus 5 times b. Now we expand, so this is a b plus 5 multiply, this will become a b minus 5, this is a minus b square, this will become a minus 25, and negative negative will become a positive 5 times b. This is equal to 0. Now we solve this part. This is a b plus 5 multiply, this is a negative b square and plus b, and plus 5 times b is a plus 6 times b, and negative 5 is a negative 30 is equal to 0. Now in the next step here we use the 0 property, which implies b plus 5 this is equal to 0, or negative b square positive 6 times b negative 30, this is equal to 0. Now look at this, subtract a 5 on both sides, then we get b is equal to negative 5. This is the one answer, which is a negative 5. Now we solve this equation. Look at this, here we multiply this equation by negative 1 on both sides. So multiply this side by negative 1 and also multiply this side by negative 1. This first term will become a positive b square, this second term is a negative 6 times b, and this third term will become a plus 30. And 0 multiply negative 1 is just 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and we solve this equation. For this we use a quadratic formula, which is a b is equals to negative b plus minus square root b square negative 4 times ac over 2a. Now in this equation, a is a coefficient of b square, which is a 1, and b is a coefficient of b, which is a negative 6, and c is a constant, which is a 30. This is a b is equal to negative, b is a negative 6 plus minus b square is a negative 6 square minus 4a is a 1 and c is a 30 over 2 and a is a 1. Now we simplify this. Negative negative will become a positive, so we have a 6 positive 6. Negative 6 square is a 36. Multiply these value, then we get 120 over 2 ones are 2. So this is equal to positive 6 plus minus, subtract these two value, then we get negative 84 over 2. Now we find the factor of 84. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we write this as a positive 6 plus minus square root 2 square multiply 21 and then multiply minus 1 over 2. In the next step, this square and square root cancel. This is a 6 plus minus 2 times square root 21 and square root negative 1 is a iota, so here we write iota over 2, and this is equal to 6 over 2 plus minus 2 square root 21 iota over. After simplification, this is a 3 plus minus square root 21 iota. This is the answer of B. Now we get three possible answer. First one is a B is equal to negative 5. This is the B1, and the B2 is equal to 3 plus square root 21 iota, and the B3 is equal to 3 negative square root 21 iota. And we have done.